pudding, no teeth.
And dentist.
Yeah, dentist and everything.
No, I'm not dentist. I have teeth already.
Get some nice pretty white. But her teeth is here. Just get out of my teeth.
I have my teeth inside in a jail.
Just get out of my mouth.
Now, my teeth.
No.
Now, my teeth, but
Here's
let me tell you. Take out teeth and put in teeth, don't want to put in. Because when you put in the teeth, they are them to put in teeth.
So the teeth and put it in there, show them say have teeth.
So the teeth and the teeth.
When you scare them, oh God.
Put in the teeth.
No.
Put in the teeth.
Do I look?
And show them say have teeth.
No,
Show them. Put in the teeth, mommy.
No teeth.
They don't want to show this into the say have teeth.
You could have eat your eat something. Scare me the five. The funny scare me. But think that I can transform you. I can transform you.
You have teeth?
I like it.
Ah!
Sometimes it feels better. The cat just wears every day, so.
Why?
Sometimes I feel uncomfortable. You know them wear it?
Yeah.
At 33,000 for my pair of teeth.